This Christmas I decided to share with all of you my mom's recipe for Kolach. It's a Christmas bread. Everyone, this is Inna with Innichkachef. Welcome to my kitchen, and we are making delicious Ukrainian traditional Christmas bread called Kolach. And for the ingredients we need all-purpose flour, melted butter, sugar, eggs, salt, yeast, vanilla, little bit of turmeric and whole milk. That's all, very simple. And for ingredients, it's so simple. We start to make sponge. That's the number one step. And we need 1 cup whole milk. We need 2.5 teaspoons of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of flour. Still has a little bit of clumps, but that's not important. Important to activate yeast and see they are active and ready to do a job. So that's all we need. And now we're going to leave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, look, the sponge is alive. You see how it's bubbling and yeast alive. The fermentation is begin. So after we did sponge, which is very big success, now we're making dough. And for the dough you need eggs, 3 big, large eggs, room temp. We need vanilla. I use paste, so half teaspoon would be enough. If you use extract, add 2 teaspoons. We need half teaspoon of turmeric, half cup of sugar. I'm using organic raw cane sugar. It's beautiful, nice and golden. Look at this, smell already good. It's gorgeous. I can tell this dough will be fantastic. Now we're going to add flour in stages. Flour and salt, that comes last. This bread every year my mom made, and usually everyone who brings comes for Holy Supper and brings on Kolach. And my mom would give another Kolach to people who ate and left. It's kind of like exchange almost. I don't know why that tradition that way, but that's how I grew up, and that many people did that way. So it seems like necessary to have Kolach in your house, and my mom always makes several. We need all-purpose unbleached flour, about 4.5-5 cups. We'll see how it goes. Depends on what kind of flour your brand you're using, so that will vary. But I will show you how a dough should look. Three. And 5, the last cup. When all flour incorporates, now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using Celtic salt. And now I'm going to mix for 5-6 minutes on medium speed. The dough looks fantastic. It's soft, it's slightly warm. I love to work with dough. It's beautiful. It's so soft. It's a perfect dough. I love to play with dough. For me, it's like Play-Doh. I can meditate with dough. It's absolutely my favorite part in the kitchen, to play with dough. So now we are covered. And let's sit in your kitchen, if you have nice warm spot, for about 1.5–2 hours. To add a little bit of flour on your working surface And not a lot, just a little bit. And my hands I like to oil when I work with dough. Oh yes. Come look how beautiful this dough. It's double if not triple, right? Making like a little ball. We divide it in 4 pieces. And now let's make dough rest for another 20 minutes. Even 20 minutes, it's plenty rested. And now we are trying to make like little roll. When dough is rested, it's very much more pleasant and easier to work. It stretch more without tearing. It's just more relaxed. The gluten all develops structure, and it's beautiful. The last one. The dough smells so delicious already. And I'm using some kind of circle. It's a almost cookie cutter. I have to fry eggs, but you can use anything. You can use can, and I like to wrap in foil or baking paper, easy to peel later, and place in the center. Now what I need to do, connect everything beautifully and move forward. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing with those little 4 pieces. Remember, we had the same thing, make little like a rope, same thing, and roll. They're going to be skinny. And same thing. And now I'm doing the same thing, except we're going to roll in a poppy seed. You know, in Ukraine, poppy seed is such a big symbol in cooking. And for Christmas, we make it porridge on the Christmas Eve for Holy Supper, and we're using poppy seed as well, called Kutia. And I will link below for that recipe as well. So poppy seed is kind of important ingredients, seed in Ukrainian cuisine. So what I'm going to do is just we need just 1/4 cup or so, maybe even less, just to roll into poppy seed. And to make sure it's will stick better, I like to brush slightly with water, just tiny bit, so poppy seed will stick better. Now we're doing similar procedure, but much easier. With 2 of them, make like 2 little okay, one is ready. Now another one. Connect together. This one very thin. Alright, now we have 2. And we are moving to the sides. And one is here. Fix a little bit here. Just to make pretty. Now I like to cover this plastic wrap to prevent dryness and let it sit for another 20 minutes. And now we're going to egg wash this bread Kolach called after the word kola, which means circle, made out of wheat flour. Wheat is always a symbol of wealth. Preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit to convection oven for about 40 minutes. Oh, smells so good. I'm ready to taste. Look how beautiful this Kolach. My mom would be proud of me. Beautiful this braid, this poppy seed braid. I absolutely love it. Easy. It's so light, it's so soft and buttery. I cannot wait to show you how it's looking inside. It's so buttery, it smells so good. It's soft, it's irresistible. It's so good. It's still warm. It's so soft. It's still warm. Look at that. It's like sponge. It's so soft and so beautiful. Look at that taste. I got to taste. Oh my goodness. Absolutely delicious. This bread will be center of your table for sure, next to your turkey. Or whatever you're making for your Christmas day. This is delicious. And I hope I inspire you to make this Ukraine authentic, old-fashioned Christmas bread. My mom made, my grandma made, and just about everyone in Ukraine uses this bread for Christmas. Please make this recipe this year. It's not very complicated, so delicious. Full recipe in description below, similar, related, and don't forget to make Kutia for your Christmas as well, and I will link in description below. Bye, see you next time.